Hello, welcome, welcome. My dear friends, myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy channel, YouTube channel. From today, I have decided that I should also start some news through my YouTube channel, which are very important for the students, for the professors, for the patients, as well as for the common man. So this can be the, you say, is the first video regarding the news. And in the playlist, I will make a separate, what you can say, the icon that is news and information. So here you can find out the different, very important news like on the TV or television or any channel. Similarly, on my YouTube channel, there will be some news which will be very useful for the students, for the teachers, professors, doctors, and the common man, and also the patient. This particular circular is from Department of Botany, Savitri Bai Phule, Pune University, Ganesh Khend, Pune 7. This circular is recently on the 4th, just 2 days back, they have declared this particular very nice information or the competition announcement for the various state level competitions on Ayurvedic medicinal plants. National Medicinal Plant Board, that is NMPB, Ministry of Ayush, and they have launched the campaign Amruta for the life. Amruta is ambrosia. Okay, this particular they are started. The competitions will be arranged online. Try to understand. You don't have to go physically over there because we are all having the corona pandemic. The students will be given a subject 3 minutes prior to the lecture for elocution competition. The topic will be related to the medicinal plants, then traditional system of medicine, and the competition will be evaluated by eminent scientists, professors, doctors, and their decision will be final. Online entries along with the material of the competitors for various categories will be accepted. कौन सी स्पर्धा है? ऐसे कंपटीशन है, पेंटिंग्स, ड्राइंग्स है, फोटोग्राफी है. The applicant should send their essay or paintings or drawings and photo on A4 size paper. Out of the received entries, 10 candidates or applications will be selected for the second round. For this, the selected candidates or applicants will be invited to RCFC Department of Botany in the university, Pune University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, for their offline competitions, and out of which 4 winners will be declared in each category. For technical any help, here you can see the phone numbers of Miss Varsha, project assistant. Her mobile numbers are there. You can just make a snapshot of this and you can call her if any difficulty. So categories of the students for participation, respective prizes: class 5th to 10th, subjects for paintings and drawings, घरा समोरील औषधी परसबाग, गुळवेल एक औषधी वनस्पति, माझी आवड़ती औषधि वनस्पति. आप कौन सी भी वनस्पति, तुलसी ले सकते हैं, कुमारी कोरफड ले सकते हैं, कौन सी भी ले सकते हैं. सब्जेक्ट्स फॉर एसे मराठी, जैविक शस्त्रास्त्रे एंड आयुर्वेद, लाइक वायरल इन्फेक्शन. आयुर्वेद एक समृद्ध जीवन शैली, आइडियल गाइडेंस फॉर लाइफस्टाइल. गिलोय गुळवेल एक किफायतशीर औषधि, इससे पैसे मिल सकते हैं आपको. सब्जेक्ट्स फॉर इलोक्यूशन, गुळवेल पृथ्वीवरचे अमृत, बेस्ट टॉनिक. आयुर्वेद निरोगी जीवनाची गुरुकिल्ली. थर्ड सब्जेक्ट फॉर इलोक्यूशन, परंपरागत आयुर्वेदिक औषध पद्धति. Now, if you go school level from 11th to 12th, if you are in the 11th standard or 12th standard, you can go for these drawings. Conservation of medicinal plants, below a lucrative. Then Ayurveda versus allopathy. This is also the painting. You have to draw a painting. Okay. Subjects for essay: plantation of medicinal plants, how you can do the different plants. Indian system of medicine, that is Ayush, and bio prospects of the medicinal plants. Then subjects for elocution, you have to talk. Medicinal plants, a special heritage, हमारी वारसा हक है वो. Degradation of ecosystem and role of medicinal plants. Medicinal plants, aspects and prospectus. So 3 categories are there: paintings, essay, elocution. Let us go further. Now, if you are in a college, graduates, arts, science, commerce, medical, engineering, wherever you are, please participate. First, painting, traditional medicine system, corona and medicinal plants and health. Then this is what you see, Can you see? Essay and last is elocution. So essay, Giloy, a chemical for evergreen youthfulness, anti-aging, medicinal plants for environmental awareness, medicinal plants in 21st century. This is for essay. And for elocution, sustainable development and utilization of medicinal plants, reimagine, recreate, restorative environment. Traditional versus modern system of medicine. You have to make a debate. Okay. And then if you are having postgraduate, MD, MS, whatever you are doing, PhD, then you may be from art, commerce, science, medical, engineering. Any student from Maharashtra state should participate in this particular painting, essay, and elocution competition. Powerful Ayurvedic herbs, detailed illustration of Giloy, medicinal plants of 21st century. Then history of Ayurveda, Charaka Sushruta Vagbata, Atharva Veda, Ayurveda for public health and everyday life, that is essay competition. Ayush, what is Ayush? System of medicine. And elocution, you have to make a talk. Ayurveda for 21st century, contribution of Ayurveda and Giloy plant in COVID-19, plants for the control of dreadful diseases like cancer, HIV, etc., etc. Photography of medicinal plants. You have to make a photos of plants, cultivation, conservation method, utilization, value addition, and awareness. Last date, don't forget last date, 31st of August 2021. 31st, please, immediately make application. Last date of application, last date of competition, first round, 30th September 2021, paintings and drawings and essay. For elocution, send the video, 3 minutes talk with full size. You have to stand up in front of the camera. You ask your friend to make a shooting with the mobile, not exceeding 20 MB. Remember the size, 20 MB for screening. Okay. First round for elocution after screening will be conducted on category 1, 14th September. Second group, 11th, 12th wala, 15th September. And third group, 16th. And fourth group, 17th September virtually. Okay. Date of final round of all competitions, 25th of November. Final result declaration, 25th November. Prize distribution, same day, 25th, September. Terms and conditions for the competition, the rules and regulations for conducting competition and its evaluation will be framed and laid down by a principal investigator. The subject matter must be related to the medicinal plants. The word limit for essay, graduate, postgraduate, 800 to 1000 words. Subject knowledge, analysis, grammar, composition, handwriting will be considered while evaluating the essay. Remember this thing. The left margin of paper should be 1.5 centimeter while writing an essay. The size of the paper A4. Time for elocution for each participant will be 5 minutes for final round. Participants must join 10 minutes before the elocution. For painting, essay, photography, only the hard copy will be accepted. Innovative and out-of-box ideas will be considered. Hard copy must be sent in the given address. Okay. The participant must provide email address and self-declaration mentioning their name, date of birth, gender, detailed postal address, mobile number, Aadhaar card, and name of the school, college, etc. Address for all correspondence of competition. Please make a snapshot. RCFCWR, Department of Botany, Old Faculty House Building near Basketball Court, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune 7. Okay. So this is the application for competition of medicinal plant. Personal details, name in block letters. Remember, block letters, capital, date of birth, gender, male, female, postal address, mobile number, email, Aadhaar number, name of the college. Okay, very simple form. So definitely you should go for this competition. First prize 6,000 rupees, second prize 5,000 rupees, third prize 4,000 rupees, and consolation is also there of rupees 2,000. I think this is the very nice opportunity for all the students of Maharashtra State. I wish all the best, and I appeal to all students, please circulate this video as much as quick possible to all of your friends. Make this video viral. Now henceforth, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande on his Ayurveda Academy channel will, what you can say, express different news and different information regarding the concern with students, doctors, professors, patients, and the common man. So my dear friend, this is all about this good competition by Pune University and felicitated or rather stimulated by Ayush Department. I wish all the best. Please participate. Please participate. All the best.